All right, time for garden video number 2. Very excited today. I actually picked up a couple plants that I want to add over in the corner by the trash cans. I got a few more plants. The first one is a 9-bark. This pretty guy right here. And the main thing I liked about this is that it offers, like, you know, all seasons of interest. So it's either got the red and green foliage or the pinkish blooms or the really pretty colored bark. If I'm not mistaken, it's like a dark reddish color, like a red burgundy in the winter. So it's cool that it has interest, even though it's not an evergreen like a boxwood or something. So I kind of wanted to incorporate it into this area a little bit. And then I got this absolutely massive tick seed bush. It is absolutely gorgeous, hundreds of flowers on it, and I wanted something on this corner that, you know, had curb appeal. And I'm gonna plant the, oh, I don't think I showed this last time, but I just got a false sunflower. Yeah, it's a false sunflower Heliopsis, and everything here is perennial. So I'm gonna plant the tick seed, the Heliopsis, and then I just thought these were cute, and I've been wanting to put a boxwood hedge in somewhere. These guys were on clearance for $5, and it's just a little mini boxwood called a baby jade. Gets up to 3 foot by 3 foot. So I gotta decide where I want to go ahead and start that boxwood hedge. I want to get these planted on the corner. I'm gonna lay down some grass and weed fabric and get these planted, and then lay down some mulch, and let's get started. All right, so I'm literally sweating so much right now. Oh, it is disgusting. It's like 90 degrees outside. So I did get the false sunflower planted. I got the matching pink grass bush planted. I got the 9-bark planted, and I got the big yellow tickweed. Is that what it's called? Tickweed? Yeah, tick seed. The tick seed planted, this one. So, I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with it for today. I am not going to plant the boxwoods just yet. I got to figure out exactly where I want to start my boxwood hedge first. All right, so this is the area that I planted the heucheras last time. And my pencil bushes. Here is my beautiful false sunflower Heliopsis. And then here's that grass. It blooms with a pink sprout, what is that called, a tendril, frond. It blooms a pink frond. And then here is my 9 bark. I wanted it to be kind of on the corner right here, since it's going to be like a nice like winter color. It'll add some interest right here. Since these two will be here in the winter, everything else will pretty much die back until next year. So I'll have my grass for a pretty good while, and then I'll have that 9 bark. And then over here, this needs to be pulled out. Still didn't get that out today. And then here is that tick seed. Absolutely gorgeous. It's supposed to have full sun, so it's supposed to be a perennial too, so I think it'll be really nice, because this is like, we have a corner lot, so it'll be really nice for that to fill in. And then, like I said, there'll be a fence panel here blocking the trash cans, and then that's where the pavers are going to go. But I thought that'd be really nice right there. I might eventually put like a clematis or something on the front of that trellis when we get it, but for right now I thought this was a nice little touch. I mulched it in, I watered everything in, so I think I'm gonna get another 2 of these and kind of fill in this area a little bit behind. So maybe put like another couple, like one here and here, something like that, to fill this area in a little bit. And I want to get something lower right here. I'm not sure just what yet, but if we go over this way, there's the other grass. So I actually planted this one immediately after getting it, and it's in such better shape. Like, look how long it is. It comes out like probably about 3 or 4 feet. They don't stand up as tall as I was hoping, but we'll see. I might end up moving them to a different area, but you know, it's still a nice pop of green. See, look how tiny that one is over there, right there. But this guy also just, I saved him from the brink of death. Like, he looked so bad in here, and all of this green foliage bloomed back, and then it had this one little bloom, and I was so happy. And then it's just absolutely done wonderful, and now it's blooming again. I fertilized it a couple times, made sure it got enough water, so that guy's doing really good. So these 2 I ended up not planting. So this area is like the next area I kind of want to work on. These are some of the river rock that I still need to take out. I have these little green, what are these called? Lemon thread, false cypress. So this area is going to have, I'm thinking about doing the boxwoods right here and starting my little boxwood hedge, and then tucking these guys a little further back. But then these are the ones I got today that I did not get planted. They're so pretty. They are a speedwell, and they grow 4 to 12 inches. That can't be right, because they're already 12 inches. -40, so they will do excellent in this area. But I do want to plant these probably underneath this tree. Once those rocks are taken away, it'll look a little bit more like this, where you can actually see the really pretty flowers on those. But I am taking out all these rocks and then filling all this in with mulch, taking these logs out, and then I'm planting my guy right here. What's he called? Contorted filbert. I think I'm going to plant him further back in this area back here, but he's sitting there for right now because he needs the shade. So that's about it for today. I'm really happy with what I got done. Definitely wasn't everything I planned on getting done, but like I said, it's hot as heck outside, so that's just gonna have to be another day. Oh, just look at this view. Look how pretty. So coming from this way, I've got all the white begonias, the green, and a little bit of pink from this Gora. Got the red in here. These guys are not staying there, but just this long view, all the green, the pink heucheras, and then this beautiful yellow tick seed. That just looks so nice. Like, what a pretty view from down here. It looks so pretty. But yeah, that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.